welcome to my channel. Today I will describe a perfect spring pattern for you. The pattern looks difficult, but it is quite easy. It consists of 5 rows and each row can be crocheted with very basic crochet knowledge. I am knitting this pattern with Elite Baby Wet Yarn and my crochet hook is a 3.5 size hook. Let's get started. The chain count for this pattern will be an even number. You can make the chain as long as you want. Just make sure it is even. We pulled our chain, finished it, and are starting the first row. For the first row, we will insert the hook into the second stitch, not the first, and make the entire first row with single crochet. By the way, if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and support me by leaving a comment. I really need your support. After finishing the row, I will return for the second row. Yes, we finished the first row with single crochet. We start the second row by chaining. We chain 1 and make a single crochet in the first hole. Then we will make 1 chain. We will skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet into the second stitch. We will chain 1 again. We will skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet in the second stitch, and the row will continue in the same way. We finished the second row. Now it's time for the third row. We will chain 3 and we will make double crochet stitches into the holes we just created. Here we have 2 holes. We don't do it in this one. We come to the second hole. We will make 1 double crochet here. We will make 1 chain. And we return to the hole we left earlier. We make a double crochet there. As you can see, the third row is actually just this. We will make X's. Let me show you again. We will do a double crochet, not here, but in the next one. We will make 1 chain, we go back to the one we left empty and make 1 double crochet. Look. It's not visible right now because the pattern hasn't formed yet. We are going again to make the third one. Not here, we will insert it here. We will make a double crochet. We will make 1 chain. Again, we will go back and make the second double crochet in that hole right here.
It will continue exactly like this.
And let me show you this. The second leg of the other X goes into where the first leg of the I is. Don't forget this, and you knit like this until the end of the row. We have reached the end of the row, and here there will only be double crochet. There will be no other pattern. I will show you that now. Yes, I will now show you the end of the third row. We made the X's. At the end, we will make a double crochet. In this space, shown that the edges are neat, as you can see. Now we move to the fourth row. Again, we chain 3. In the third row, we made X, and in the fourth row, we will make V. We will do it like this. You know the center of those X's, the space we created by chaining in the third row. We will do it there. Let me show you. I am making a double crochet here. I make 1 chain and do a double crochet into the same space again. And the V pattern is formed. Now we will make another V in the middle of the X. That is, we do 1 double crochet, chain 1. We will make a double crochet into the same hole again. As you can see, it's a very simple pattern but ideal for summer. Again, on top of an X, we make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and another double crochet, and we will continue this until the end of the row. But at the end of the row, there will again be only a single double crochet here. And we have reached the end of the fourth row. We made our V's. Finally, we make a double crochet here so that the edge of the pattern comes out very neatly, as you can see. The fourth row is finished. We're moving to the fifth. We start the fifth with 3 chains again and make an X. But unlike before, we'll do it in a different place. Like this, we created a V, and we'll do it to the right and left of the V, to the right and left of each V, meaning at the beginning and end, not in the middle. We'll do it to the right and left. Now, let me show you. First, we make the double crochet at the beginning of the V. We make a chain, turn back and do it at the end right here. And our X is formed. We will do it the same way as the beginnings, and we will go back and do it as the ends. I inserted my hook as the beginning. I pulled the chain and went back to insert my hook at the end. Again, my beginning, my end. I insert into my beginning. I pull the chain, turn back, insert my hook at the end, and this will continue until the end of the row. As you can see, we will do it here until the end of the row. We will do it here, and at the end of the row, don't make a mistake here, we will do it here too. And finally, there will be 1 double crochet here, but we will also do the pattern here. Now I will make my 2 double crochets here. You must pay attention to this for the edges to be neat. So, the pattern is just this. It consists of 5 rows, but the repeating part is 2 rows, meaning you will continue by repeating the 4th and 5th rows consecutively. And whatever you want, whether it's a blanket, which would be very nice, or a vest for your children for summer, you can make it with cotton yarns. It will be quite nice. It's a pattern with which you can make anything you want. Even the back side of the pattern is beautiful. I will show you the larger version now. Let me show you one more for those who don't know. In the 6th row, let's repeat the 4th row. We pull 3 chains. We make a V in the spaces between these X's. This is a repeat of the 4th row. We entered, we made 1 double crochet, we pulled our chain, we make another double crochet in the same hole. We do it again in the middle of the other 2. We made the double crochet, 1 chain, we make 1 more double crochet. And our row continues like this. We come to the end of the row. Here, to ensure the edges are neat, we make a double crochet in a single stitch, and the next row we will do will be a repeat of the 5th row. That is, it will be the X row. A very beautiful pattern, a pattern you can use in everything, and it's very simple to make. Don't overthink it. You can do it very easily. Let me show you the larger version. With the brown yarn, the larger version looks like this. This is a pattern that doesn't stretch when pulled, so it will stay as you see it. Whatever size you knit it, it will remain that size. It won't shrink. Keep this in mind when chaining. Yes, that's all for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing is free. You can support me by commenting and subscribing. You can help my channel grow and reach more people. Thank you for watching.